Met you on the rooftop staring in the sky. Stars above and city lights started our goodbye. We were young and foolish, hearts played without a plan.
Can you believe that AI tools totally generate this song? Yes, I created this with AI tools. And today, I will share the step-by-step method of creating this song. Let's dive in. First of all, I will create the song with an AI tool called Musick AI. It's another gem in the music generator industry. You can generate seamless music and songs with a simple text prompt. I will put the link in the description. Just head over there and create an account. Once you are logged in, your interface will look like this. And this is the AI music generator. Here at the top of the box, you will find several style preset options like R&B, rap, pop, EDM, and jazz music generators. You can select your preferred style to generate your music. However, if you are not sure about the music style or your style is not available here, skip it. Okay, now you have to describe your song description in this box. For example, I am typing a 90s pop urban music about love and heartbreak. After entering the prompt or song description, turn on the instrumental option if you want to generate only instrumental music. If you want to generate a full-fledged song, then skip it. In the end, if you want to keep your generation private, then turn off this option. Once everything is set, hit the generate button. Now it will take some time to generate the song. Let's fast forward this part. And here it is, the song is ready. It actually generates 2 songs. Let's have a look. This is the first one.
Met you on the rooftop staring in the sky. Stars above and city lights started our goodbye. We were young and foolish, hearts played without a plan. Love was like a wildfire, burned right through the sand.
And this is the second one.
Met you on the rooftop staring in the sky. Stars above and city lights started our goodbye. Dancing in the rain, our laughter fades away.
Both songs are good, although I used very simple prompts. Most importantly, it generates a perfect duration for a song. Now let's generate another song in a different style. Come back to the AI Music Generator tab. This time, I will create a jazz-style song. So, I am entering the related prompt in the prompt box. After entering the prompt, hit the generate button and wait some time. And here it is, our songs are ready. This is the first song.
I saw you by the fountain, heart took flight. In the moon's embrace, you look just right.
Now let's have a look at the second song.
I saw you by the fountain, heart took flight. In the moon's embrace, you look just right. Your eyes like stars, your smile so bright. Oh, my love.
That's really amazing. I love both the songs. You can generate songs not only in English, but also in any language. For example, I want to create a rap song in Spanish. It's so simple like before. After coming to the AI Music Generator tab, mention the content and the style, and then hit the generate button. And this is the first Spanish rap song.
Caminos cruzados, destino traidor, en el ruido del odio brota el amor. Mano a mano en la lucha feroz, resuena en el eco tu voz en mi voz.
And this is the second one.
Caminos cruzados, destino traidor, en el ruido del odio brota el amor. Mano a mano en la lucha feroz, resuena en el eco tu voz en mi voz. Rimas afiladas, sangre en el mic, lejos del odio buscando el clic. El círculo de guerra, un giro cruel, el enemigo se vuelve delicado y fiel.
The result is just amazing. Now imagine you want to create a BGM for your video. You can do it with Musick AI. Just come to the AI Music Generator tab. Now type about your music in the prompt box. For example, I am typing intense, action, thriller trailer, fast-paced. After entering the prompt, we have to turn on this instrumental option. Once you are done, hit the generate button. Our music is being generated. Like before, Musick AI generated 2 soundtracks for us. This is the first result. It's just awesome. It sounds like a perfect action film BGM. And the second result is also just awesome. I like it. Like this, you can create any kind of music. Alright, now imagine you already have song lyrics and you want to turn them into a full-fledged song. So, what do you need to do? Come to the AI Music Generator page. Now turn on the custom mode from here. This is the custom music generator interface. Now here in this box, we have to enter our lyrics. For example, I am entering these lyrics. After entering the lyrics, we have to mention the music style. You can skip it, but my suggestion is to mention the perfect music style. Otherwise, AI will choose a random style that may not fit our song. In the end, enter the song title, and then hit the generate button. After waiting some time, I got this result.
We've been waiting in shadows, silent too long. Chains on our voices, but our spirit is still strong. Hear the heartbeat of the streets, marching drums, defiant beats. No more whispers, no more fear. Our revolution's here. Rise and run, we break the sky.
The first song is incredible. It sounds like a highly talented music director created it in a professional studio.
We've been waiting in shadows, silent too long. Rise and run, we break the sky. Light the night with battle cries. Unite the lost, the weak, the brave.
The second song also provides a good vibe. I love it. So now you can create any kind of song and music with Musick AI. Not only that, you can create lo-fi music with this AI music generator tool. Here at the top of the page, you can see an option called Tags. If you come to this tab, you will find 2 options. Holiday, to generate various songs on holidays, and with the Lo-Fi option, you can create lo-fi beats with AI. After selecting the Lo-Fi option, enter your music idea in the prompt box. After that, hit the Generate button. And here it is, our lo-fi song is ready.
Snowflakes dance in the silent night. We whisper dreams by soft moonlight.
The result is just amazing. If you don't want vocals on your lo-fi song, then simply turn on the instrumental feature. Then you will get a result like this. So now you can create a lo-fi channel with Musick AI like Lo-Fi Girl. If you want to know more about creating a lo-fi channel with AI, then you can watch this video from the I button. Okay, you will find all your AI-generated songs on the My AI Music tab from here. To download any song, open the song, and then simply click on the download icon from here. Now the question is, how costly is Musick AI? You can try the tool for free and generate 3 songs. But if you want to generate more songs, then you have to buy one of the premium plans. In the monthly plan, you have to pay $9.90 per month and can generate 600 songs. In the yearly plan, you have to pay $99 per year and can generate 12,000 songs. That's a reasonable price. So, don't forget to try this amazing music generator AI. Link in the description. Alright, now if you want to create music videos, like at the start of the video, then you can watch this video from the I button. I will put the link in the description too. Alright, friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with creating songs with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!